This is a 150,000 BTU gas-fired unit heater for commercial spaces like warehouses, workshops, and schools. It features a low-static axial propeller fan, up to 83% thermal efficiency, convertible to separated combustion venting, direct spark ignition, and a rugged heat exchanger. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Propane garage heaters. Reznor models work as a propane heater for indoor use and make a great space heater solution for many kinds of commercial or industrial applications, such as garages, workshops, warehouses, factories, and more. Number 2. High performance. This Reznor heater is rated for 150,000 BTU with 2 heating output levels, low fire 87,150 PU for milder cool days or high fire 124,500 BTU for the coldest times of the year, and achieves an 83% thermal efficiency rating. Number 3. Garage heater propane unit. Indoor propane heaters come with threaded nut retainers at 4 suspension points for use as a ceiling mount hanging garage furnace or gas wall heater, depending on the bracket used, mounting sold separately. Number 4. Product overview. Listing includes the Reznor garage heater and easy-to-install LP kit, which converts the heater from natural gas to liquid propane operation. Compatible with Category 1 double-wall B vent pipe when vented vertically or horizontally. Number 5. Advanced tech. Propane heater garage units are built tough with a titanium-stabilized aluminized steel heat exchanger, patented single-burner combustion, integrated circuit board with display, built-in disconnect and current status LED, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.